Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a car falling effect easy and quick in After Effects. First of all, go a few frames forward from where you want car fall effect to start, then duplicate your video and cut it at that moment. Rename duplicated layer to clean. We have to remove the car from a background now. To remove the car we should mask out it at first. To mask you can use Roto Brush, Pen Tool, or use Mocha AE like I do. In Mocha AE grab a pen tool and mask your car like this. Then click on Tracking button. Once the tracking is done, click on Save button and close Mocha AE. Now expand Matte and click on Create AE Masks. Make sure to toggle off your bottom clip. Then select Clean Layer and press M on your keyboard to open masks. Change mask mode to subtract. Expand Layer 1 settings and set the feather to about 3. Make sure to match your work area to a clean layer's length, then go to Content Aware Fill window, copy my settings and then click on Generate Fill Layer. Wait until analyzing is done. Once it's finished, bring back work area to its normal length. Now toggle back on your very bottom clip and duplicate it one more time, move it above Fill Layer and rename it to Car Only. Make sure to cut this layer as well, match it to clean layer's length. Make sure you are at the very beginning of Car Only layer and then grab a Roto Brush tool, double click on Car Only layer. Roto brush the car as smooth as possible. Once you are satisfied with your selection, let's set the feather to 10 and then click on Freeze button. Once the freezing is done, go back to Composition. Select very bottom clip and then go to Tracker and click on Track Camera. As the analyzing is done, select some points on the ground, then right-click and select Create Solid and Camera. Once we have a tracked solid, we can bring here a ground collapse footage. I will leave a link in description for this one. Make sure to move collapse layer from where the effect starts. Now link that layer to track solid and enable 3D on it. Press S on your keyboard and scale it as much as you want. Then position it right under the car and change X, Y, and Z if needed. It looks pretty cool in my case. Now we can toggle of solid layer and make sure to move car only layer above all other layers. We can now begin making a fall into the whole effect. Make sure you are at the very beginning of car only layer and press P on your keyboard, then hold Shift and press S button and R button to open only position, scale, and rotation. Click on stopwatch icons on position, scale, and rotation. Go a few frames forward and change rotation a bit. Go forward again and change position of the car, move it a bit down and add rotation a bit more. Lastly, go forward a bit more and this time change position all the way down. Let's check the animation. Everything seems cool to me, but I will change position of the whole a bit. Now that's way more better. Enable motion blur on car only layer, then select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Now select all clips except car only layer, then right-click and pre-compose them into one layer. Rename to whatever you want and make sure, move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, then click on OK. Duplicate that layer and move it above car only layer, rename it to masked. Go to very end of masked layer and grab a pen tool. Begin masking the whole like this. Press M to open masks and click on Inverted. Now click on Mask Path stopwatch icon and then go frame by frame backward and track that mask till the end. Let's quick check it. Cool, but let's smooth the mask. Press F on your keyboard and set mask feather to 4 to smooth the edges of the mask. Nice, I'm happy with the effect. Lastly, we can add shake effect. I will skip that part cause I have already made a shake tutorials. Also, I have created 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake preset. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.